Racing Sports Network presents World Touring Boat Racing, Episode 12, Jason from Kenya. Hello race fans, I am your host Aiden Sivali at the Ukulele Bottom Raceway under the sea, and today's episode is about Jason from Kenya, and here he is with the number 28. Hello Aiden, this is Jason from Kenya with the number 28. And I'm here at Raceway at Ukulele Bottom under the sea. Thank you for letting me visit. Hakuna Matata. You're welcome, Jason. This is your host, Aiden C. Valley at Ukulele Bottom Raceway under the sea, signing off.